Today we are going to discuss the mistakes that I made when I started choreographing. Hi, my name is Kushram Jani, aka the Dancing Boy, and the first mistake is letting your brain remember all the steps and not standing up and doing those steps. So when you think of a song to choreograph on, you have to stand up and do the steps, because if you don't do the steps, your brain will stop memorizing the steps, and as you keep adding more and more steps, your brain will not remember the steps that you did previously, and hence your imagination will stop. So do the steps, stand up, do the steps, remember those steps, make choreography, do. The second mistake that I made was choreographing when I don't feel like choreographing. When you don't feel like choreographing, just don't, because if you choreograph when you don't feel like choreographing, your brain will think that I'm choreographing, it is not fun. What do? Stop doing it. And then the next time that you go to choreograph a song that you really love, the brain will tell you that it's not fun, not do it, not important, not fun, don't do it. Mistake number 3, running out of steps. This is not specifically a mistake, it is a tip, if you would say. Whenever you're choreographing, you will run out of steps someday, sometime. When you run out of steps, you start to repeat the steps, and as you repeat the steps, your dance becomes boring. So do not make your dance boring. Use the push, pull, and slap technique. Yes. So when you use this technique, even when you run out of steps, you can listen to the beat of the song and use these 3 steps to make up your choreography and get some new steps in your mind and start a new choreography. Use some new steps. So when you run out of steps, use this technique to make up your dance, and when you use this technique, you start getting new steps in your mind, and you create a new choreography and make your choreography less boring. And that was it, the 3 mistakes that I made when I started choreographing. I hope you learned something from this video, and I hope you will keep dancing and making choreographies. Bye bye!